Hey, welcome to another great video. This is Stay Outside and Explore. Today we're going to make snow cones. So I got this Ninja blender, and I got it for Christmas because I like to blend Christmas ice cream drinks right around Christmas time, and I like malts and shakes and stuff like that. So a couple weeks ago, I realized that it has an ice crush. I don't know if you can see that right here, ice crush mechanism on there. And I made some snow cones for the grandkids and, of course, some adults. So I'm going to demonstrate how this is done. So I got some ice from my ice machine. I don't know how this is going to turn out, so you got to make sure everything is all locked in place. Turn the power on, and when I did this thing, it almost looked like snow. So here we go. Might be a little loud. All right, this is just just a little bit that I have. As you can see, looks like snow. And then take a straw. You can get these snow cone at like a favorite store. And then you have Kool-Aid. I prefer cherry flavor. I know there's other flavors out there, but nothing like a good old snow cone on a hot day. And you can make any, whatever you would like, even maybe some adult drinks too, or even soda. Yum. Brings back memories as a kid. Yeah, it's definitely what I remember. So yeah, I just wanted to share a video on the Ninja blender. It also, like I said, can crush ice, make ice cream drinks, whatever you'd like. So I hope everyone likes this video. Please subscribe, hit that notification button so you will know when I put out another video. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'm going to enjoy this snow cone. Thank you. Take care.